Here's something most people get completely wrong about fish. They think it's just another protein source, maybe a bit healthier than red meat, but nothing special. But what if I told you that eating fish just twice a week could dramatically reduce your risk of heart disease, boost your brain function, fight depression, protect your joints, and even help you live longer? And we're not talking about expensive, hard-to-find fish. We're talking about common, affordable fish that you can get at any grocery store. Stay with me until the end of this video, because by the time we're done, you're going to understand why cardiologists and neurologists consider fish one of the most important foods you can eat. Let's get into what happens when you eat fish twice a week. Let's start with what makes fish so incredibly powerful. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna, are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential fats that your body cannot produce on its own. You must get them from food, and fish is the absolute best source. Within the first few weeks of eating fish twice a week, your cardiovascular system gets dramatic protection. The omega-3 south in fish do several critical things for your heart. They reduce triglycerides, dangerous fats in your blood that contribute to heart disease. Studies show omega-3 south can lower triglycerides by up to 30%. They lower blood pressure naturally. People who eat fish regularly have significantly lower blood pressure than those who don't. They reduce inflammation in your blood vessels, keeping your arteries flexible and healthy. They prevent dangerous blood clots that can cause heart attacks and strokes. They stabilize heart rhythm, reducing the risk of sudden cardiac death. Multiple large studies have shown that people who eat fish twice a week have 36% lower risk of dying from heart disease. That's a massive reduction from such a simple dietary change. Your brain function improves noticeably. Your brain is about 60% fat, and it desperately needs omega-3 fatty acids to function properly. The omega-3 south in fish improve memory and cognitive function. Studies show that people who eat fish regularly score better on memory tests and have faster processing speeds. They protect against age-related cognitive decline. Research shows that eating fish twice a week can reduce dementia risk by up to 40%. They help fight depression and anxiety. Omega-3 south are crucial for the production of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters that regulate mood. Studies show that people who eat fish regularly have significantly lower rates of depression. After about a month of eating fish twice a week, your inflammation levels drop throughout your body. Chronic inflammation drives almost every major disease. The omega-3 south in fish are powerful anti-inflammatories. People with arthritis often report less joint pain and stiffness when they eat fish regularly. Athletes notice better recovery after workouts. Overall inflammation markers in the blood decrease significantly. Now let me ask you something. How many of you are eating fish at least twice a week? Or are you avoiding it because you don't know how to cook it or think it's too expensive? Drop a comment and let me know. If you're finding this valuable and learning why fish is so important for your health, I'd really appreciate if you could take just 2 seconds to hit that like button. It helps more people discover these critical health benefits. Thank you so much. After 2 to 3 months of eating fish regularly, your eye health gets powerful protection. Fish contains omega-3 south, vitamin D, and other nutrients that are crucial for eye health. Studies show that people who eat fish regularly have significantly lower rates of macular degeneration, the leading cause of blindness in older adults. They also have lower rates of dry eye syndrome, which becomes more common as we age. Your skin looks noticeably healthier. The omega-3 south in fish reduce skin inflammation and help your skin retain moisture. People who eat fish regularly often notice their skin looks more radiant, feels smoother, and shows fewer signs of aging. At the 6-month mark, your overall disease risk decreases across the board. The combination of omega-3 south, high-quality protein, vitamin D, selenium, and other nutrients provides comprehensive health protection. Your cancer risk may decrease. Some studies suggest that regular fish consumption is associated with lower rates of certain cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. Your bone health improves. Fish is one of the few natural food sources of vitamin D, which is essential for calcium absorption and bone strength. Your immune system functions better. The nutrients in fish support immune cell function and help your body fight off infections more effectively. Let's talk about which fish to eat and how to do it safely. The best fish for omega-3 South are salmon. Wild-caught is ideal, but farmed is still beneficial. Mackerel, sardines, herring, anchovies and tuna, but limit to once a week due to mercury. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish per week. 1 serving is about 3 to 4 ounces, roughly the size of a deck of cards. You can grill, bake, or pan-sear fish with olive oil and lemon. Add canned salmon or sardines to salads. Make fish tacos with grilled fish and vegetables. Bake fish with herbs and serve with roasted vegetables. Some people worry about mercury in fish. Here's the truth. The benefits of eating fish twice a week far outweigh the mercury risks for most people. To minimize risk, choose smaller fish like sardines and salmon, which have less mercury. Limit large predatory fish like swordfish, shark, and king mackerel. Vary your fish choices rather than eating the same type every day. Pregnant women and young children should follow specific guidelines, but most adults can safely eat fish twice a week. Let me share something personal. I started eating salmon twice a week about a year ago, usually grilled with lemon and garlic. After a few months, I noticed my joints felt better after workouts. My mood was more stable. My annual checkup showed my triglycerides had dropped significantly. My doctor was impressed and said whatever I was doing, keep doing it. Here's my challenge to you. Commit to eating fish twice a week for the next 30 days. Try different types and cooking methods to find what you enjoy. Pay attention to how you feel. Notice your energy, your mood, your joint comfort, your overall well-being. I'm willing to bet you'll feel a difference and want to continue this healthy habit. Come back and let me know how it went. Drop a comment sharing your experience with adding more fish to your diet. If you found this helpful and want more practical nutrition advice, I'd really appreciate if you could subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment if there's a specific food you'd like me to cover next. Because your health matters, and adding fish to your diet twice a week is one of the simplest, most powerful changes you can make. Alright, that's it for today. Go grab some fish. Your heart and brain are going to thank you.